If you don't know much about clipper blades, this video is for you. Today we are talking about clipper blades and what's the difference between all of them. When it comes to clipper blades, there's only 3 types you really need to understand: the taper blade, the wedge blade, and the fade blade. The first blade we'll break down in detail is the taper blade. And with the taper blade, you have more of this bevel finish. So if you look at it from the side angle, that natural C-scoop motion, and what this is good for is great for beginners or people starting out, people that are still building that muscle memory. All right, up next we have the fade blade. Now, if you look at this blade, you have more of a straight finish. This is gonna be super popular among barbers because you have more control as the user. When you're doing precision fading, this is a great blade that a lot of people choose. And last but not least, we have our wedge blade. And this one, you have more of a little bevel at the end. So it's straight, almost like a fade blade, but you have a bend right there at the tip, which gives you a different angle. So it's a really tight angle, great for detailing. I recommend this a lot to barbers who want to take their fades to the next level and refine. Clearly, all of these tools can do a fade, but based on the blade that you choose can make your job easier or harder depending on your experience and your muscle memory. Another great feature when it comes to blades that are created in more recent times is everything is coated now. So back in the day when I first started, blades would get super hot and it's almost too hot to the scalp that you'd have to take a break. But the great thing about modern technology is that now everything is coated. So even if you have only one tool that you're using all day long, it only gets to a warm temperature, not a scorching hot to where you have to pull it off the scalp. Another feature when it comes to this blade in particular, what I have here, this is called the MIM fade blade. MIM stands for metal injection molded. And what that means is when they're creating this blade, everything is framed to the T on how they were developed. So you're gonna get a lot more accuracy every time you get an MIM blade. MIM material is also used on medical instruments and firearms. And now you have them on clipper blades, which allow us to get like that precision and accuracy really nicely. But a feature that comes with this MIM blade type is that there's more than one version. So this one has 22 teeth. We have another MIM that's 24 teeth, and then we also have another MIM that's 27 teeth. So let's break down the difference between these two. So 22 teeth and 27. This is the one that comes stock on a lot of the newer style clippers. 22 teeth meaning 22 teeth, wider gaps. 27 teeth, you have smaller gaps in between. You're trying to run through heavy density of hair. With these wider gaps, you're allowing the hair to feed a lot smoother through that because of the wider openings. Now, when you want to refine and detail, you want things to close off like this one right here with the 27 teeth. You're gonna get a lot softer and a cleaner refinement using this type of blade. Choose this for your everyday fading work. Choose this for that softer finish on that one last pass. And then this one dropped, which has 24 teeth, so it sits kind of in between the other two. And with this one, you have it as a wedge blade, which is one of my favorite blades to use with. I probably put this on most of all my clippers, and that is just a style preference of how I like to work. I've gotten really used to these blades. It's helped me refine the work in the way that I need it to. I think I like the steepness and that quick adjustment from really short to really long, very quick. So I generally like to use this blade the most. Similar to what we already talked about with the wedge blade here as the OG blade, but on this one, you have a stronger metal material that stays cooler even longer than this one here, the OG blade, because on the inside there's cutouts within the blade that allow the oil to sit in a lot longer. They're called oil reservoirs that are in there, and so the oil sits in, keeping them more lubricated for longer, which allows a better cutting system and less metal on metal, keeping it running a lot cooler. I hope this video helps you and you understand now all the different types of blades that exist. So now when you go buy your next clipper blade, you know what to look for.